iPhone 16 series is official now. Yes guys, Apple launched all of their devices of the year last night and here we are with highlights of the majors. iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max is what I am talking about. I will come to 16 and 16 Plus in a bit as well. So iPhone 16 Pro variants comes in this new color Desert Titanium. If we talk about the major key highlights of the 16 Pro variants, then the first one is the capture button. Apple has made this massive change in their hardware. Not change, actually a new thing. Now we have a separate button for the sole purpose of camera controls. This is kinda haptic button with a click like feedback, and upon pressing it, camera of the phone instantly opens, and then press it again to capture the photo, and long press will record the video. But if you double press this capture button, it will pop up the main camera controls like aperture, exposure and that stuff. You can also zoom in and zoom out by sliding over it. So this is one thing that was totally new in iPhone 16 lineup, and good thing is that it's not only limited to Pro variants but the whole iPhone 16 lineup gets it. If we talk about the cameras on the rear side, then there is a 48 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel new ultra wide angle lens and a 12 megapixel periscope lens, and there is a 12 megapixel selfie shooter on the front as well. The action button also do have some changes in its working. Now you can customize it more to set specific actions at some particular times of the day. The non-Pro variants comes with A18 Bionic while the Pro variants come with A18 Pro Bionic chipset. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with 6.3 inches display while the Pro Max comes with 6.9 inches display, and it is the largest iPhone Apple has ever made. Talking about some other features, then iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max has capability to record 4K at 120 FPS Dolby Vision videos, which is great thing for filmmakers. New iPhone 16 Pro variants now support 40 watts of fast charging, which is just game changer. I guess the last year's iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max had 25 or maybe 27 watts of charging. Now for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, there is nothing much to talk about except the new little design change on the rear side, where we are getting that iPhone X kind of design, and there is the capture button just like I discussed earlier and some new colors. That's it. So for the pricing, the iPhone 16 starts at $799 and 16 Plus from $899, while the 16 Pro starts from $999 and the 16 Pro Max starts from $1,199. So that's pretty much it for the iPhone 16 series. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.